Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Oh, excuse me. Bed. Excuse me. Or. Excuse me. Oh. I think it's supposed to storm later. Excuse me. No open mouth. At least I'm not going to try to. Oh, my nose is tingling. Oh, my nose is tingling. All right, y'all, I'm getting up off of here. My nose is tingling, y'all. That burp. Got my eyes watering. Got my nose tingling, y'all. I'm over it, y'all. All right, y'all. Oh, my nose. Oh, my nose is tingling real bad, y'all. My nose is turning red. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Clock it. Clock it. Excuse me. Yeah, bomb pop. Excuse me. Go ahead, son. Excuse me. Go ahead.
You can smell the lemon and cherry. So it's like slow.
Get in them comments, okay? Excuse me. Excuse me. Wow. Excuse me. This. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse me. Ooh. 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 Good Lord. Right. So. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Rock Creek. Excuse me. It tastes just like a Rock Creek fruit punch soda to me. Feel strong. Oh, excuse me. Oh, y'all, I got mouth freeze.